if you're trying to get started with algorithmic trading, the first thing you need to have is a personal computer, and of course, the MetaTrader software. So for MetaTrader 5, the programming language is MQL5, while for MetaTrader 4, the programming language is MQL4. So when you open up your MetaTrader 5, just like I have on my screen now, you'd find that there are so many buttons on the screen, and naturally for someone who's not a developer or someone who's into algorithmic trading, you might not know what some of these windows are for exactly. So this is what a regular MetaTrader software would look like. But then if we are trying to go into algorithmic trading, you go to tools, and from here you find this MetaQuotes language editor, or with the symbol IDE beside it. So this is where you can write your codes for trading. So there are three specific or basic things you can write. You can either write an expert advisor, or what you call a trading bot. You can write an indicator, or you can write a script. Now there's this very specific clear difference between these traders. Now expert advisor is for trading. What it does is that it enters the trade for you. It takes the buys trades, the sell trades, manages the trades, closes that. Or an indicator does not take trades for you. All an indicator does is to show you here's a signal maybe, or to show you some specific information on the chart. It doesn't take the trades for you, but it can guide you as to when to take those trades manually. And then the last one is a script. So what a script is just a program that runs only once and then is terminated. So maybe the only thing they might do once is just to place one trade, and then that's all it does. It's terminated. It does not manage trades for you. So those are the three types of programs you could write. So just for this basic introduction, I'm just going to show you how to create your first expert advisor file. We might not be writing any code, but this is how you can create that file. So you go to the top of your screen. You're going to see this new button that says create new document. So you want to click on it, and it's going to open this up. So it says please select what you'd like to create. Since we are going to be creating a trading bot, you go with expert advisor and then click on next. Then you can type in whatever name you like. Let's say my first EA, and this is what we're going to be working with. And we put in your name. I already have my name here, and you can put your website if you have one, or just leave the defaults. Those affect the codes. Then you would find some things to select called event handlers. We're going to be discussing this in another video. But for now, you don't have to select anything. Just click on next, and you have created the first file. Although this file doesn't do anything, since we haven't really put in any code, these codes were just added from the get-go. It's not going to place trades just yet. There are some codes you have to put in before it can start taking those trades. But if you go to the top of your screen, you're going to find this compile button. Now this button is very important because this is what we're going to use to convert the codes we've written here into a usable or executable program. So what you're going to do is to click on compile. And as long as you don't have any errors, the code is going to be generated successfully and you could run the EA. So for this, I'm just going to say it should alert hello world. And then click on compile. So this is it. Now, how are we going to see this result that we have done on MetaTrader? So I'm going to open MetaTrader software back. And as bare as our MetaTrader is, you still go over to go to view, and you're going to find navigator, or you could just use Ctrl+N. Then under the expert advisor tab, just here, you can see all the expert advisors written. So what I have here is my first EA. So I'm just going to attach it to the chart. Once you do, you find this. Always make sure to click allow algo trading if you want it to actually take trades for you. So click on OK, and immediately it did that, it sends this with this alert, hello world. So we have successfully written our first trading bot.